had more terns last year than any place in the state, but there was another place that had more plovers, and we were like 1 or 2 nests behind them. I'm like, well, I got to do something different next year. We're going to produce this sand anyways, and you're helping out along the way with the tern and the plover conservation. It doesn't cost this company a dime to do what we do to help these birds. And it's been fulfilling and joyful. I can't say enough about how much it's helped the guys that work here, because they realize that it's not just about the work. On the weekends, they'll bring their kids out or grandkids out and go, see, watch these birds. They show their kids, and pretty soon that gets ingrained in them.
The birds come first. That's just our mentality. So when they show up, we kind of like the idea because we know it's construction season time. When they show up, winter's over and it's time to get to work. And when they leave, it's kind of sad to see them leave. It's fall time's around the corner, and we'll have to wait till next year to see them again. If the sand and gravel pits weren't around, the birds probably would be struggling to find a place to go. When it floods and the water levels are high, the birds really have no place to go, and I'm not really sure where they would be. We do have the habitat that they're looking for. They'd probably struggle to find another place. I'm guessing they'd probably move on to a different part of the state.
For every action, there's a reaction. These birds came here. This was the habitat that they needed. If they disappear, then what's next?